April 2019. Had a lot of stuff to do with my full-time job, so I'm late getting to this, but we decided to put in a jerry-rig steel platform with square tubing and bolt down a proper car seat so I could drive this thing in and out of the body shop and to the body shop and home. I'm not going to have the car sprayed with the new seats in it. So that's an old beater seat of a Crown Vic I have lying around, so we got that in, and the welding is done. The body shop will finish filling this, but it's all steel. And same with up here. This was also cut out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is all new steel up there too. And now it's just a matter of getting all this chrome off, because the painter just called me before I started this video, so he might be ready for me, but I'm not ready for him, so I gotta get to work. But it's springtime and it's going to move fast now. Thanks for watching.